Hi, my name is Brett, and today I am going to demonstrate how to install a KD drywall transom frame in an existing opening. To begin, verify your rough opening. Now attach your base clip to the bottom of the frame. Now you can install your hinge jamb. Don't worry about your hinge jamb being level or square at this point. Next, put your header in place. Now install your strike jamb. Don't worry about engaging the corner gussets at this time. Before installing the mullion, push the side jambs out towards the wall at the top of the frames, enough to slide in your mullion. Be careful and don't let your header fall out. Angle the mullion over the bracket on one of your jambs, then swing the mullion into place over your other bracket. Pull the side jambs back in to secure your mullion and header, being sure to engage your corner gussets at this time. Level and square the frame, starting with your hinge jamb, header, and strike jamb. Now measure your opening to make sure you've maintained the correct door width at top, middle, and bottom. Tighten your compression anchors by turning the screws left or counterclockwise. Now install your screw at the top of the frame to fully engage and tighten your corner gussets. Install your vertical pieces of glazing bead with the self-drilling screws provided. Now finish by installing your horizontal bead. Wow, this looks great and is just as easy as shown. And if you think this was easy, placing your order for one will be a breeze.